Climate of India. In this module, you will understand the factors affecting the climate of India and analyze the typical climate associated with the weather conditions of India. Hey friends, today let us see how different factors govern India's climatic conditions. Let us see the latitudinal extent of India. It is situated between 8 degrees north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degrees north latitude, is passing almost through the center of India. Thus, the area which is south of the Tropic of Cancer is in the tropical zone, whereas the north to it is in the subtropical zone. If we want to understand the location of India as per the heat zones, it is falling almost entirely in the torrid zone, leaving only northernmost 14.5 degrees in the temperate zone. The torrid zone receives more heat due to vertical rays, hence remains hot. Therefore, we can say that India experiences more or less a warm climate that is a mixture of tropical and subtropical characteristics. Now let's see how the altitude of the Indian landmass influences its climatic conditions. The Himalayan range, standing to the north of India, has an average height of 6,000 meters. This range extends from northwest to northeast of India. It blocks the chilled cold winds coming from Central Asia and Siberia in the north. On the other hand, it retains the warm and moist winds coming from the south. Thus, India, especially in the northern part, does not have an extreme cold or dry winters like Central Asia. Secondly, the places located in the higher altitude are cooler than the places located in the plain regions. This is because the atmosphere is thinner in the higher altitude. One very interesting feature of the Indian climate is its typical wind and pressure system. Both these atmospheric elements are governed by the upper air circulation and western cyclonic depression. Let me elaborate you on how this phenomenon works. India is falling in the northeasterly wind belt. In the northern hemisphere, due to more landmass in this belt, the northeasterly wind is blowing from the land to the sea, so these winds are dry. This dry prevailing wind might turn India into a dry desert, but some other important factors play their important roles to make India a rain-fed country. The effect of upper air circulation is dominant over India. This is called the jet stream. These are air circulations in the troposphere around 6 to 11 kilometers above the surface. It flows in strips and merges with each other anytime, anywhere. The speed of a jet stream varies between 110 kilometers per hour in summer to 184 kilometers per hour in winter. Jet streams are capable of affecting the weather pattern of a season by changing the low pressure and high pressure systems and temperature conditions of a particular place. Over 27 degrees to 30 minutes north latitude, the subtropical westerly jet stream prevails. This is the region of the northwestern Himalayas. During the winter months, the cyclonic disturbances are driven by this westerly flow from the Mediterranean Sea region towards the northwestern part of India. This is a temperate cyclone that moves from west to east in the northern hemisphere. After reaching the Punjab plains of northwest India, the wind gets trapped and causes moderate shower on the plains and snowfall on the hills of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir. Similarly, during October and November, the tropical easterly jet stream is dominant over the eastern coastal region of India. Due to this, a low-pressure depression develops over Bay of Bengal, which moves towards west. Thus, during this time, cyclonic rainfall occurs along the coast of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Let's recap. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degrees north latitude, is passing almost through the center of India. India experiences more or less a warm climate that is a mixture of tropical and subtropical characteristics. The Himalayan range blocks the chilled winds coming from Central Asia and Siberia in the north, as well as it retains the warm and moist winds coming from the south. Places located in the higher altitude are cooler than the places located in the plain regions. Northeasterly is a dry wind as it blows from the land to the sea. Jet streams are the upper air circulation of air over 6 to 11 kilometers from the surface of the earth that blows with a speed of 110 kilometers in summers and 184 kilometers in winters. Western disturbances bring moderate rainfall in the northwestern part of India and snowfall in the mountains during the winter months. The tropical cyclonic depressions form over the eastern coastal region of India due to the influence of tropical easterly jet stream. This brings cyclonic rainfall in the eastern coastal region of India during October and November.